Join us tomorrow morning as we follow developments in today's tropical storm and volcano near Mexico City.
Good morning. Today is Friday, May 31st, 2013. Welcome back to our 9 a.m. broadcast at HMS News. Hurricane Dora swept over southern Florida yesterday morning and did excessive damage to the coast because of a storm surge. Many families had damage to their homes from the wind or from flooding. The storm surge destroyed much of the coastline, so there will be a lot of work for the residents as they begin cleaning up.
We have just received breaking news about a massive earthquake in Japan. The earthquake measured 8.1 on the Richter scale. Let's go to our weather team to show us on the map what is happening. Andre and Ernesto?
And as well, Mount Fuji is and will recently reported that there was an earthquake activity underneath the volcano. Now there's a massive earthquake 100 miles off the coast of Japan.
I will put an earthquake marker on the map.
We have some earthquake experts to help us understand the effect of an 8.1 earthquake.
The strength of the earthquakes is measured on the Richter scale.